An adjustable wrench is one of the most familiar tools in any workshop. That's exactly why this unusual modification caught so much attention. Using nothing more than 2 rivets and a few minutes of work, someone managed to transform a standard wrench into something that looks completely different. What makes the idea so intriguing is that the purpose isn't immediately obvious. As the modification comes together, viewers are left wondering what the final result will actually do. It seems like a simple workshop experiment at first, until the finished tool appears and leaves everyone asking the same question. Why didn't anyone think of this before?